KNO enters its daily live market session. Yesterday, KNO finished in positive territory with +4 $25. Here are KNO's modules, each with its own strategy, capital, and parameters. KNO closed in positive territory, +$0.26 across 68 analyzed entries, win rate 31%. Top trade AverageGuy for +$1.08. Selectivity today's breakout, our bot the Owl, +$3, win rate of 48% on the session. On the other side, our bot Rainman collapses to -$25. KNO reallocates its attention toward our bot per module breakdown. Each bot is an embodied hypothesis. First, our bot the Owl, nocturnal patience, acts only on very high conviction signals and performed at $72 over 40 trades, win rate 48%. Second, our bot Epicurus, Epicurean philosopher, dining philosopher's coordination, ataraxia on moderate setups, performed at $37 over 145 trades, win rate 47%. Third, our bot Macro, swing trading on multi-time frame confirmed macro signals, performed at $0.97 over 20 trades, win rate 55%. Fourth, our bot the Fish, fishing for small catches, tiny position size, high selectivity, performed at $0.39 over 41 trades, win rate 54%. Finally, our bot the Border Collie, disciplined Border Collie, min3 signals confluence 70 blacklist post 2SL, suffered at $0.93 over 47 trades, win rate 40%. Strategy diversity is our laboratory. KNO observes which one generates a persistent edge and reallocates capital accordingly. Top trade in detail. Our bot Macro entered AverageGuy at 1638 after detecting multi-signal confluence. Exit at +2% or 0.3 times the initial risk. Net profit, bars $1.08. Clean setup, clean execution. Not a home run, but exactly the type of trade expected in a selective regime. How KNO decides in depth. Layer 1, entry filters. Minimum 3 out of 5 signals confluence. Momentum, volume, price structure, on-chain signals, and social sentiment. Minimum liquidity, $25,000 in the pool, otherwise slippage kills the edge. Momentum window 5 to 15 minutes, long enough to confirm, short enough not to miss the move. Layer 2, position management. Fixed sizing at 1% of capital per trade. Strict stop loss at -5%. Tiered take profits 25% at +10, 25% at +25. The rest left to run with a trailing stop. Layer 3, learning. Each trade is logged with its full context. No discretionary decisions. Everything is coded, measured, and reviewed every week. The arc of the last 7 days. Out of 7 logged sessions, KNO closes at $0.0 cumulative dollars, 0 green days, 7 red days. Neutral trend, KNO is oscillating around 0. This is the territory where we verify if selectivity pays off against fees. Every episode is a data point on the curve, and the curve is what matters. KNO learned a costly lesson. Its liquidity filter on our bot. The snowman lets false signals through. Recalibration planned. The risks to watch tomorrow. First risk, fake breakouts in low volume. The crypto market chains traps. KNO must validate liquidity before every entry. Second risk, hidden correlation between modules. If all our bots trade the same coins at the same time, we lose diversification. Third risk, execution latency. On memecoins, a few seconds can turn a winning trade into a losing one. KNO measures exit to confirmation latency every day. Today, the worst performer is fired. Socrates is out. AverageGuy 1.8% net 9.50. WR 36%, SUR 252 trades. The detailed plan for episode 15. First, overnight recalibration of thresholds based on today's results. Marginal adjustment, no brutal pivot. Second, Rainman under strict surveillance. If losses continue, technical pause for deep analysis. Third, testing timing hypothesis. Entering 30 seconds earlier on very high conviction setups to capture the slope before the confirmed breakout. Risk, false signals. Reward, better entry prices. Fourth, intermodule correlation monitoring. Goal, 0 coins traded simultaneously by more than 2 bots. Open question for you. If you were to add a 5th filter to KNO's entry layer, what would you propose? Comment below. The best idea will be tested in episode 16. An experiment powered by KNO Innovation. AI consulting and innovation for ambitious KNO companies. Is finding its rhythm. What strategy should we test next? Comment your ideas. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's episode. Thank you for sharing this adventure with us. Your comments truly feed KNO. Every idea counts. Same time tomorrow.